If you want to make your dieting journey easier, just remember 3 key things. Hey man, Gary Walker here, and welcome back for another video. Today, I'm going to give you 3 simple ways to make your dieting easier. Whether your goal is to shed excess body fat, achieve a leaner physique, or simply improve your overall health, the following tips will revolutionize the way you approach your diet. Dieting is tough because our bodies and minds are wired to resist cutting back on food. When we try to eat less, our hormones and brain signals often make us feel hungrier and less satisfied, making it hard to stick to a diet. On top of that, though, emotional factors and societal influences can also mess with our eating habits. Despite these challenges, though, dieting is crucial for our overall health. It helps us manage our weight, which is linked to various health issues like heart problems and diabetes. Eating a balanced and nutrient-rich diet is essential to keep our bodies functioning well and prevent nutrient deficiencies. Even though it's not easy, maintaining a healthy diet is important for our overall well-being. So, understanding this, let's dive into the details of these 3 essential tips that can make dieting easy and effective for you. With that said, tip number 1, always have protein on hand. Protein is a fundamental building block of life and plays a pivotal role in dietary strategies for numerous reasons. First and foremost, its satiating effect is crucial for managing appetite and preventing cravings between meals, which are common stumbling blocks in dieting efforts. When you eat protein-rich foods, it induces prolonged feelings of fullness, which becomes a powerful tool for appetite control. Protein consumption is especially crucial for us older men due to the physiological changes associated with aging, including a decline in muscle mass and even strength, through a phenomenon known as sarcopenia. Adequate protein intake becomes imperative to mitigate muscle loss and promote muscle protein synthesis, which helps preserve lean body mass and body functions. Also, protein's thermogenic effect sets it apart from other macronutrients, as it demands more energy for digestion than carbohydrates and fats do. This metabolic boost contributes to calorie expenditure and aids in weight management. By strategically incorporating protein into your diet, you leverage its multifaceted benefits to optimize your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. To ensure convenient access to protein sources, both at home and work, it's important to keep and prepare various protein-rich food items. At home, establish a well-organized pantry stocked with lean protein sources like canned tuna, salmon, beans, and other lean meats. You can also freeze portions of chicken, beef, or fish for extended shelf life. Use a systematic meal preparation routine to incorporate these protein sources into your daily meals. At work, keep a stash of non-perishable protein-rich snacks like nuts, seeds, and jerky in a designated drawer or cabinet. You can also keep protein powders and protein bars for quick protein snacks. Regularly assess and replenish protein supplies to ensure a consistent and readily available protein intake both at home and at the workplace. All right, so now that you know how important protein intake is, let's move on to tip number 2, and this one is crucial. Avoid fad diets. Fad diets often impose severe restrictions on specific foods or even entire food groups, leading to a rapid but unsustainable weight loss. The restrictive nature of these diets can result in feelings of deprivation, frustration, and ultimately a higher likelihood of reverting to unhealthy eating habits. Fad diets often promote a one-size-fits-all approach, neglecting individual differences in genetics, metabolism, and health statuses. What works for one person may not work for another person. Most of these diets also lead to nutrient deficiencies and imbalanced profiles. Eliminating entire macronutrient groups from the diet can result in unhealthy nutrient deficiencies, compromising the body's ability to function optimally. Each macronutrient plays a vital role in supporting various physiological functions, And a well-rounded diet ensures the intake of all those essential nutrients. Imbalanced nutritional profiles can have a detrimental effect on your overall health and hinder the achievement of sustainable results. This is even more vital as men get older. For sustained and effective dieting, it's imperative to adopt a balanced and a sustainable approach. A key principle in sustainable dieting is the focus on long-term habits rather than just quick fixes. This approach fosters a healthier relationship with food and a lifestyle conducive to achieving and maintaining health goals without the unnecessary stress. Instead of demonizing specific macronutrients like carbohydrates, for instance, strive for a balanced intake by selecting high-quality sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats while monitoring portion sizes. By adhering to this balanced approach, you ensure that your body receives the essential nutrients necessary for optimal function while working towards your desired outcomes. Okay, now that leads me to tip number 3. Keep junk food out of your house, man. Understanding the psychology of dietary choices is essential for effective long-term dieting. The third tip focuses on the environmental cues influencing eating behaviors, specifically addressing to the presence of junk food in the home environment. Environmental cues play a significant role in shaping your dietary habits. When unhealthy snacks are readily available and visible, they act as constant reminders, making it challenging to resist those temptations. Convenience in this context is a crucial factor. The proximity of unhealthy snacks increases the likelihood of consumption. By strategically removing or minimizing the presence of these types of snacks at the home, you create a mental barrier that helps curb impulsive and unhealthy eating habits. Taking a proactive approach involves a thorough evaluation and modification out of your home environment. Conduct a comprehensive review of the pantry, fridge, and cupboards, identifying and removing items that don't align with your health goals. This not only declutters the kitchen, but also reduces the accessibility of unhealthy options. Replace sugary and salty snacks with healthier alternatives, such as a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grain snacks. By having nutritious options readily available, the likelihood of choosing healthier alternatives increases. Creating a healthy home environment is going to be a collective effort. Engage your family in discussions about the importance of maintaining a junk-free living space. Foster open communication about food choices and the benefits of creating a supportive environment. By involving your family, you build a shared commitment to better eating habits, reinforcing each other's goals. All right, so let's wrap up what we've talked about in simple terms. If you want to make your dieting journey easier, just remember 3 key things. First, make sure you're getting enough protein. Protein helps your muscles grow, keeps you feeling full, and even helps you burn more fat. Keep some protein-packed foods handy to make it easier. Next, don't fall for those trendy diets that promise quick results. They might seem tempting, but they often miss out on giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Instead, focus on eating a mix of different foods to keep yourself healthy in the long run. And last, if you want to avoid eating junk, just keep it out of your house. Simple as that. If it's not around, you're less likely to munch on it. Creating a healthy environment at home makes sticking to your diet much easier. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, get busy, get after it, and God bless.